It's probably the top 3 dumbest things I've done with the camera.
So we decided that for Noah Guy's next music video, we're going to strap my $6,000 camera to the front of a bicycle. Let's see how that turns out.
Okay, girl.
So we're the wrong matte box filter side, so already off to a really bad start. Nothing's working, as you can see, but we'll figure it out. These are the interns.
Hey!
It's a real nice tape job.
Thanks, dude.
You hear that beeping? That's because the trunk is open. The trunk is open because I got a bike hanging out my trunk. Because my guy Noah thought the shoot was at 3. Danny Gewurz hits me right before on his way and is like, yo man, where y'all at? I'm pulling up. Because it's at 2.
Feeling good, man.
Yeah, tell me
Woke up this morning.
Yeah.
Had a bowl of frosted mini wheats. So I'm feeling good. We're gonna attach a camera to the front of a janky beach bicycle, and fingers crossed. We'll know how it's gonna go.
Who's shooting it?
Who else? Danny Gewurz, man. The dog.
Oh, we're cursing now?
Sorry, no. The dog. Normally, what's the function of a normally?
Of what? This?
When would you?
These are
normally use it?
C-stand arms. These are for like...
Okay. So this is very makeshift.
No, I'm like totally making this up as we go.
Okay.
Vegan.
I will be amazed if this works out.
Amazing.
It's cool, thank you.
Yeah.
We went back to Brooklyn for like work.
Are we trying this?
I just want to see what the picture's looking like.
Okay, cool. So you want me to hop on?
Yeah, just sit on it.
I mean, keep holding it.
Yeah. Oh, dude. As long as you don't stand, it's like perfect height.
Really?
It sucks because like we're gonna have no idea what it looks like until you're done. It's just gonna be like a surprise ending. Untwisting or something. That might be what gets us. This is sketchy from top down. Like the filter's taped on right now. You control it, okay?
Yeah, I'm just still all right.
Alright, well this does nothing.
Well, honestly, this is the tape's kind of making it a little bit waterproof.
Stabilize it. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah.
You know how good of it.
Right.
The job that we'll do. That helps.
Wow. That's spacious.
Turn too far to the right.
Probably pushing an hour plus trying to rig this bad boy up. We're basically here for moral support at this point. There's only so many hands that can be on that thing. So I might just go run and get some coffees or something and say I'm doing something.
A few words about this rig.
Alright, so this is something I came up with from a couple years back. No, actually we came up with this on the spot. We have a bunch of C-stand arms that we're just rigging with Cardellini jaws. It's obviously working. The only issue that we're running into right now is that this is getting shake. But I think we fixed it. Carlo had a really good idea of taking a third arm, just cushioning it. I don't think this audio is usable right now because we have little kids screaming at the top of their lungs.
I love the commitment on this thing here. Like, it's like a piñata.
So if you come over here, Mr. Danny over here decided to tape the handlebar so it couldn't turn, and I said no. And the next, this was shaking, so I recommended third pole.
But we wouldn't be where we are today without Carlo.
Step it away.
Appreciate your honesty. Oh, yo, way better.
Oh, look at that.
Nice. Okay.
I'll do something
Too glum, like Tim Burton-ish. You know what I mean?
Hey. Just hiking up our camera rig. Got 3 C-stand arms, a lot of tape, a lot of Cardellinis. I'm actually feeling pretty optimistic about not destroying my camera right now. We tested it a couple times. It's feeling good, right?
Yeah. No. This is it's never it never feels unstable.
Yeah. I'm gonna run next to Noah the entire time just to get a hand on it in case the camera drops for some reason or Noah falls. Save the camera, not Noah.
You want me to start? Maybe I start it before.
I would start like here, like coming from the side. Like you're probably in the frame. I think it looks great, man. I was like, there's literally no way this is gonna work. Like,
Dude, we always know your work.
I was just like in my head trying to figure out like what I was gonna piece together grip wise. I'm just like throwing shit in the order.
I mean, the three was literally the game changer. That's all you need.
All right, so we just finished the first one take of Noah's video, the biking scene with the bike rig. Got the new guys taking down the old rig with the tape. How's it going? What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the Moby, get a little performance take of our guy Noah.
Laying it all on the line, singing my heart out. You know, performing for the millions of fans out there.
Get some smooth gimbal shots, find a way to transition it from the bike toppling over into the grass. I don't know, we're still kind of trying to figure out how it's gonna work, meshing that with the next one take, because we want it to feel smooth, but I don't know, it's gonna be hard to really replace that same exact spot because we were stupid and didn't have anyone mark it, so we'll figure it out. There it is, it's getting close. It honestly looks way better than I thought it was gonna look.
Yeah, I was surprised too.
What, the video?
Yeah, dude, I didn't think it was gonna work at all.
Yeah. I made it on my own. It's kind of this beautiful sort of like sonic thing, and I'm like, you know, I didn't want it to get lost in the movements of it, but I think that should be enough. So let's do that.
Danny, how do you feel about closing it out by like pulling way out?
Yeah, definitely.
And then
We're locked in, baby.
You up to you just like picking up the camera, and then I'll be on the other side of it, so you can let go.
Yeah.
And start walking, and then I'll follow you.
That's good.
And walk the streets of Paris hand in hand. I'm driving in the right way, yeah. I'm sorry.
So the camera made it. Hope you had fun watching that BTS. Now let's enjoy the actual music video. I'll see you next week. I love you.
Driving in my Ferrari, well I'm sorry that I made it on my own. Visions of you don't haunt me, never hardly. Don't know what you think you know, what you gonna be when it all comes down. Put spinners on my wheels, but they'll still go round. Driving in my Ferrari, well I'm sorry that I made it on my own. One more time. So pick up your baggage, the ship you way and it's turning. I know you'll find your body that gives you that sunny weather, but still got me stuck in your showroom. There's no one to hold to. Met your mama in Whole Foods and she told me I'm bound. She said that you're a lawyer, turn blue and spark the fire. Feeding off my passions till you swell up and retire. So hit the road, I do the same with your mama. I bought her new Chanel and she loving this endless summer in my driving in my Ferrari. Well, I'm sorry that I made it on my own. Visions of you don't haunt me, never hardly. Don't know what you think you know, what you gonna be when it all comes down. Put spinners on my wheels, but they'll still go round. Driving in my Ferrari. Well, I'm sorry that I made it on my own. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. One more time. Such a lie, you're such a lie, and no one can deny it. Oh, you a lie, oh, you're such a lie, you're such a lie, oh. Alright, fuck it, look. I'm driving in the Ferrari, yeah. I'm sorry that I